dear students, welcome back to our last video in Science Online lesson by Duaa from Jihan College School. Let's see what we have today. Our subject is about volcano, page 150 until 157. A vent or fissure in the Earth's surface through which magma and gases are expelled. During an eruption, molten rock or magma is forced to the Earth's surface. We have two types of volcano: explosive eruption and non-explosive eruption. Explosive eruptions are much rarer than non-explosive eruption. During explosive eruption, clouds of hot debris, ash, and gas rapidly shoot out from a volcano. Instead of producing lava flows, explosive eruptions cause molten rock to be blown into tiny particles that harden in the air. Non-explosive eruptions, these eruptions produce relatively calm flows of lava. What's inside volcano? Magma chamber and vents. Magma chamber, a vacuole or crack in the Earth's surface that feeds a volcano with magma and gases. Vent, an opening at the surface of the Earth through which volcanic material passes. Lava is liquid magma that flows from a volcanic vent and is released by non-explosive eruptions. Explosive eruption produce mostly pyroclastic material. The viscosity of lava. Let's see, we have two types of viscosity: low viscosity and high viscosity. Lava that has high viscosity is stiff, and lava that has low viscosity is more fluid. Pyroclastic material forms when magma explodes a volcano and solidifies in the air. This material also forms when powerful eruptions shatter existing rock. How does a volcanic eruption affect climate? As volcanic ash and gases spread throughout the atmosphere, they can block enough sunlight to cause global temperatures to drop. Different types of volcanoes. We have three types of volcanoes. The first type is shelled volcano. Like you see in this picture, this is called shelled volcano, which are built of layers of lava released from repeated non-explosive eruptions. The second type is cinder and cone volcano. Cinder and cone volcanoes are made of pyroclastic material usually produced from moderately explosive eruptions. Composite volcano. Composite volcanoes, sometimes called stratovolcanoes, are one of the most common types of volcano. They form from explosive eruptions of pyroclastic material, followed by quicker flows of lava. So this is the end of my speech. Thank you for listening and watching. If you have any comment or if you want to add any extra information, please send it to me. Good luck for all. Bye bye.